though I already have this range hood, but still odor is going to the second floor of the house. It will stop, or the odor ends up here in the landing area. So I'll have to find solution in order for the odor to be minimized. So libre ang video ito, ngunit in return, you can show your kind gestures sa pamamagitan ng inyong pag-subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell. Kung tatanungin nyo kung bakit meron pa rin odor na nasa ibang part ng house, it's because the odor moves quickly along with the air. There are two ways air spread in our house. One, by diffusion, meaning the odor particles are spreading to areas in the house where there is no or less odor concentrate. Second, by means of airflow na magpapabilis sa takbo ng odor. In my house, my left side are windows, but my right side are all walls. It's because my house is a duplex unit. By the way, air and odor are separate things. We have that odor molecule that is carried away by the air, and the air in this case from the kitchen is hot air, and science tells us that, or physics tells us that, hot air always goes out. The air stream is from here, then it's a window, then the odor will be blown away up to the second floor. The staircase is the hottest area in my house because it has no air conditioning while the ground floor are well ventilated. What I'm thinking of is to put a exhaust fan here on the window, and that's leading to the other room, my proposed master's bedroom. Then I'll put some duct there going up to the ceiling. So dito ko ilalagay sa window na to ang exhaust fan. So ganito ang forma niya. Ilalagay ko to sa plywood, sa plywood parang frame niya. Then yung exhaust naman, lalagyan ko dito ng tube para angat doon sa taas at saka doon sa may kisame. So, at ito naman yung kahoy na nagawa ko. So parang ganito siya. So ganito ang itsura niya doon sa loob. So ganito naman sa labas or design. So yan. I-screw ko tong exhaust fan sa plywood, and the plywood will be attached to the steel frame of the window.
My exhaust fan is designed for ceiling mounting, and it is a centrifugal exhaust fan.
Ang ibig sabihin ng centrifugal, ang fan ay humihigop ng hangin at right angle or 90 degrees to the intake. So ito yung intake, yung butas dyan, yung mga grills dyan. That's the intake, and it absorb air galing sa baba. So it's 90 degrees, tamang-tama lang siya ang pagkalagay nito na vertically instead of nasa ceiling siya.
The fan is a 30-watt unit with an airflow rate of 4 cubic meters per minute. Its air outlet is about 4 inches, so the duct should also be 4 inches in diameter. It has a heat fuse inside to prevent the motor from overheating. It has no power switch. Since it is not practical to put a physical switch for the exhaust fan to turn on and off, I make it smarter instead.
Turn on exhaust fan.
Sure, turning on the exhaust fan.
Turn off exhaust fan.
Sure, turning the exhaust fan off.
Kung dati medyo mainit at mabaho tong staircase namin, ngayon wala nang baho, malamig na siya kasi hinigop na exhaust fan yung mainit na hangin mula sa kitchen na siyang nagdadala ng amoy or odor from the kitchen to this second floor of our house. So, the fan or the exhaust fan works. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. Daghang salamat. Ako si Jun Tariman, High Tech Tabay.